Before we put the tubes in, we do check the alignment of support plates. We do put lines down through the condenser at least 4 or 5 locations to make sure that the tube sheet and support plate alignment is what it's supposed to be.
Then the tube process is a very manual process. It's one tube at a time. You have people inside to help guide them through a myriad of support plates that are inside the condenser. Important, but probably one of the easier parts of the whole process.
And then we go in and we roll tubes about in clusters of 10, maybe in 8 places or 10 places on a tube sheet, making sure the tube sheet is good and straight. And we go to the back end and do the same thing with the same tube, so now we know we have the proper alignment between the tube sheets. Rolling of a tube is a device that goes inside the tube. It's a mandrel and pills. And they're in such a shape that the mandrel is on an angle and the pills are on an opposite angle. So when the pill is pushing against the ID of the tube, it pushes the tube out so it's evenly pushed against the wall of the tube sheet. What you're trying to do is seal the tube against the tube sheet material. If you're putting a tube in that your calculation says can only be 28 inches and you're 45, it says the tube is going to fail.
What happens as the steam is coming down from the turbine and hitting the tubes, they start to whirl. And as they whirl, they'll start to either bang against each other and they'll start to cause flat spots and they'll eventually wear through, or they'll start to spin and they'll just break. So we came up with the cradle lock stake.
I worked on this for a lot of years and finally came up with a design that actually locked each tube into position along the device.
It's a metal bar. It's made out of 304 stainless steel. It's custom engineered and it has dimples in it. And we come up with the spacing of the dimples and we come up with the depth dimples. It's unique to the condenser design that we're working on in the tube material and the tube spacing. And it virtually locks the tube bundle into a vibration-free unit. The design and the testing of the stake starts way before the retubing does.